Hello, everybody. My name is Claude Diamond, and I have the pleasure of joining Justin Chamness and Brandon Simmons. We got together, the three amigos, because we think there's a revolution going on. What do you guys think?
100%. So many people are trying to do more deals right now, Claude, and they're freaking out with the economy.
Yeah.
Really? I'm doing deals by accident.
Yeah. There are so many ways to do deals, but what we like is the lease purchase, the lease option, the rent to own, control without the ownership, the ability to control properties in this changing marketplace right now. Interest rates are going up, right, guys? I mean,
oh yes, over
up.
6 to 7% and up, right?
Yeah, that makes it harder because fewer people can qualify. What about prices in your area? I'm in North Carolina right now. I also live in California and Colorado, and prices are through the roof. What about your areas? Prices?
Right. Same thing here in Phoenix. A lot of people can afford to rent something better than if they went out and bought something because the payments would even be higher with interest rates right now. So,
yeah, Justin, how about your backyard, man?
You know, yes, absolutely crazy, ridiculous prices and the interest rates high. And, you know, maybe this is a great time to think about upgrading or downgrading your own personal residence with lease purchase or lease option.
You'll only make
money. You guys
money.
think about that?
You'll only make money, but it's a niche in real estate. You need special information, specialized contracts. The marketing is different. The salesmanship is different. There's different profit opportunities in the beginning, the middle, the end of the deal. You can consult in the deal. You can create notes. You can do assignments, wholesale deals. There's so much in this specific niche. And if you specialize in this area, which we're going to be discussing, by the way, on April 1st, it's a Saturday, and we are going to brainstorm and teach you guys how to do lease purchasing. And it's the early, talk about the, and it's going to be an early bird special. Brandon, talk about that.
Man, Claude, I think we're basically giving this away. It's only $49 for the early bird special. It does go up. It's only good for, I think, another week for that $49 price. So you got to jump on that. We have a limited number of seats. Only 100 people can attend this. We're not opening this up to everybody. So it's only for the first 100 people.
Wow. And it's
does that include us? So us three?
Yeah, it includes us. So 97,
97
and we've already sold a lot of tickets already. So we
I'll give you my credit card right now, man. Okay, yes, we have signed up a lot of people.
Get in there now.
There you go. No. And basically, think about it: $49. You're going to listen to three people who've done lease purchase deals. This is a way to control. Imagine for a moment you could control real estate without the bank, without the heavy down payments, without the management headaches, without the evictions that normal